Hello, my name is Eklesia, apriany Paskhalina, and I'm from English Literature. And this is my final exams about the language assessments. In today's seasons, we will conduct a speaking assessment using two methods. The first is verbal essay and free interview. These active are designed to assess students' ability to express ideas clearly and communicate effectively in English. Please pay attention to the instructions and respond carefully to each task. We will not begin the seasons. In these seasons, I will assess the student's speaking skill using the verbal essay method. This activity helped me how well the students can express the idea clearly. But the students will receive one questions. The student will have a short time, like 1 minute, to think and organize the answer topics. And the topics is about, in your opinion, what is the most important skill that university students should develop today? And please support your answer with the simple example. I give you 1 minute for thinking about this, answer the questions. And after that, I will asking you by one for the answering. If you already finished, you can to raise it up your hands with the emoji or something else. Okay, I think it's enough for the time for thinking that, and you can to raise and up your hands. The first baby one who is will be answering. Okay, time is over. Jose, Rena, or Jenny, or Helen's? Who is the first one will be answering?
Okay, so for me, students should develop critical thinking. The skills help students analyze more information, avoid misinformation, and make smart decisions. For example, in doing assignments or group projects, critical thinking allows students to evaluate sources and solve problems effectively. Thank you.
That's good answering. Any else?
Me.
Okay,
Want
Jose.
to answer. I think the student should to develop is the technical skill, but it depends on the related field that the student take. For the example, if the student take the engineering field or medical field, the student have to the technical skill to do their project or their work for better result. Thank you.
Okay. Any else? Renata or Helen, the first one? Okay, Renata.
Okay, in my opinion, the most important skill university students should develop today is adaptability. The world is changing very fast, especially with technology, and what we learn in class may not always match what happened in real life. For example, many students started using AI tools, online collaboration platforms, and remote working system even before graduating. Students who can adapt quickly are able to learn new tools, adjust to new environment, and stay relevant. Adaptability also helps us handle pressure, uncertainty, and unexpected challenges, which are very common in both academic and professional life. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good answering. And the last is Helen.
In my opinion, the most important skill for university student today is communication skill. This skill is important because students need to express their ideas clearly in class, per presentation or group discussion. For example, good communication helps students work well in group projects and understand others better. Uh, Therefore, communication skill is very important for academic and future professional life.
Oh, okay, that's a good answer for all of you. Thank you so much for your answering. And so, but right now we will next to the I will continue the assessments, but using a free interview and explaining tasks in this activity. I will ask several questions relate to the students' academic life, and the students should to answer naturally and clearly. But I will show you about the questions. I will give you the question is one by one. Okay, wait, yeah. I give it to you for the picture. Okay, I think the time is already be finished, and who is the first one will be answering and choose the questions. Jenny, Jose, who is the first? Jenny, Jose, please the first.
Yeah, I will answer question number 1.
Mm-hmm.
On a typical academic day, I start my morning by preparing for my classes. I attend lectures until the afternoon. After that, I usually finish on my assignment or review or some materials. And then in the evening, I take some time to rest before preparing for the next day. Thank you.
Okay, that's good answering. And anyone else here?
I will answer question number 2. And one academic challenge I have faced during my studies is dealing with subjects that I find difficult or not really interesting. When I don't enjoy the course, it's easy to lose motivation and feel overwhelmed. To overcome this, I try to change my approach by focusing on the practical side of the subject and reminding myself that why it's important for my future. I also break the material into smaller parts, study with friends, and ask questions when I don't understand. Over time, this helps me stay consistent and get through the course even if it's not my favorite. Thank you.
That's good.
Okay, I will answer the question number 3. I can describe my recent weekend. From my recent weekend, I usually wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then in the afternoon I took a break from studying and went out with a friend to go out to a cafe, and we talk about our classes recently and share stories and enjoy some coffee, which help us relax and recharge. And then in the evening I stay at home and watch movie with my family, which was a nice way to unwind after a busy week. And then on this Saturday, which is on today, I used to in the morning to clean my room and organize my study materials for the upcoming week. Later, I did some light exercise by going for a short walk around my neighborhood. And then in the evening, I review my notes and prepare a to-do list for Monday before going to bed early.
Okay.
That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, the last Helen's.
I will answer number 4. In my opinion, English proficiency contributes significantly to academic and professional development. It allows students to access international resources and communicate effectively in global academic and professional environments. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So today the seasons has to confer the uses of the verbal essay and free interview to assess students about the speaking skill, but these methods allow us to evaluate both of structure, speaking, and natural communications. But thank you for your participants and cooperations. I hope this season has been useful for your listening process, and see you in your next meetings. Thank you so much, guys.